and I know all about him. He's always my problem, and I can't live without him. Yeah.
Hey, hey guys, what is up? I am back with another video, and in this video, I will be. In this girl, yeah, well, we're trying to put your nasty feet in the video. In this video. Okay, in this video I will be doing Courtney's makeup. Courtney, you wanna show your face? Okay. She's lazy, so she doesn't want to do it on any table. So right now you guys are on the floor. I'm sorry. Well, y'all are on a table. We're on the floor. It's not the usual setup, but it is what it is what it is. And yeah, Courtney, do you ever wear makeup?
Yes.
Do you wear a full face of makeup?
Nope.
Today we will be doing a full face of makeup on Courtney. So if y'all want to see how it looks, just continue watching the video. And yeah. Courtney, now get up so they can see before and after. Come on. Come on.
Oh, God.
Alright guys, so this is Courtney's before. And I will show y'all what she looks like after. By the way, I will not be doing every little step in the video just because
Get your words.
there's no, I'm getting my words. There's really no point for me to do every little step. Y'all know the makeup I use. Y'all know I use e.l.f. and MAC. So I will just be doing her makeup. It's going to be fast forward for y'all so y'all will be able to see it. And yeah, y'all will just see the finished product. Okay guys, for the sake of the sanity of this video, I'm going to do Courtney's makeup off camera, and I will insert some clips of me throughout the week. It was going to be a vlog, but then I just got really lazy, so enjoy that now, and we'll show you Courtney what she's done. Did the camera get it? Oh shoot, I think I missed it all. RJ, did y'all get it?
Stop.
I think the camera faced the wrong way. So guys, this is the finished look. She looks so pretty. Look at her eyes, close your eyes. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. So guys, are you done burping?
Sorry. She makes a bobo crying pepper. Okay.
So this is the finished look. How do you like it? Do you like the finished look?
Mm-hmm.
Talk to the camera, not to your phone.
Yes, I did.
Oh Lord, don't get that close. Alright guys, well I will see you on the next video, which will be on Friday on this channel. Sorry about the upload. This was supposed to be up on Wednesday, but I guess it's now going to be up on Thursday. So y'all are going to get 2 videos in a row. Make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you share it with your mom, your dad, your grandma, your auntie, your nephew, your cousin, your boyfriend, and their parents. Make sure you share it with your teacher, your pastor.
They get it.
Make sure you share it with everyone. If you can, just hit that subscribe button right there. And hit the post notification bell that's right.
Bye.
And hit the post notification.
Bye.
Oh my gracious, shut up. Hit the post notification bell that's right there. And I will see you on my next video.
Isn't she taking too long?
Peace love you guys. Bye.
Never was better. Wouldn't know looking at her. Take her home with another.